Hello YouTube. So today we are going to look at my Yamaha amplifier. So as you can see here, it's a Yamaha Natural Sound Receiver RS300. Uh, yeah, so we are going to have a quick look at the features and specs about this amplifier. Uh, for specification, you can visit Yamaha's website. It's a class AB type of amplifier, can deliver 50 watts each channel. Uh, to start with, uh, we have a power button here, uh, and right next to it we have a phones jack. uh, you can listen through this if you want to listen through your headphones. Right next to that we have two buttons, speaker A and speaker B. This amplifier can be connected to two sets of speaker, and if you have multiple speakers in different rooms, you can control individual sets of speakers. You can either have speaker A on or speaker B on, or sets of speaker, or you can have both the speakers switched on at the same time. Let me switch on this amplifier so that we can have a look at the display. So when you switch on this amplifier, there is a relay clicking noise, so that ensures that the amplifier is switched on. At the middle of the amplifier we have a display which shows all the functions here. uh, Speaker A and speaker B display here. This shows which speaker sets are switched on, and right now both speaker A and speaker B is on here. And we have input selector indicator here. This amplifier can be connected to six inputs here, and as you can see, it's connected, can be connected to a phono, dock, tuner, CD, tape, line 1 and line 2. So phono is a tabletop player, can connect directly to this amplifier. Dock is a proprietary dock from Yamaha. You can buy this separately, it's not included when you buy amplifier. Through this dock you can dock your iPhone and listen music directly from your iPhone. Tuner is a FM AM tuner. Can listen to radio through this amplifier directly. You don't need to have a separate radio tuner. CD, tape, line 1 and line 2 could be anything. uh, TV, computer, CD player, or satellite receiver, anything can be connected to these four inputs here. Each inputs can be cycled through this input, or this knob, sorry. So can be cycled through this knob. Below the display we have couple of press buttons here, which is mostly for uh, FM tuning or FM function. You can save uh, your favorite station here without scrolling through. You can directly or quickly jump through your stations without tuning each time. Below the tuner buttons, we have bass, treble, balance, and loudness. So it's nothing much to explain here. It's all pretty much simple and known to everyone. Loudness is nothing but it's a control for your mid range. So it controls your mid range in your music. After this we have input selector, already discussed, and after this we have a volume button, volume knob. Again, volume control the loudness of the music. On top of volume we have a really interesting button here. It says pure direct. When you switch on this pure direct, amplifier is going to bypass all the presets or modifications which are set on this amplifier. It is going to select a least possible music path to your speaker. It's really helpful when you want to listen to the music at its purest form. I like this feature here because I like to hear the uh, music at its purest form. So when you switch on this pure direct switch, display is going to switched off, and there will be a small indicator uh, showing you that you are in pure direct mode. This mode is really nice of this amplifier. This is one of the reason why I bought this amplifier. To Many of the amplifier doesn't have this feature. It's really nice. And this amplifier comes with a remote. It's really nice remote. You can control all the functions through this remote. uh, yeah. So this amplifier currently is connected to small speaker here, mica speakers here. You can see here one is kept on top of the projector here, and there is also a one subwoofer which is sitting on the other corner of this room. uh, yeah, so that's all, guys. If you have any questions, let me know.